Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Arlo camera detects movement but fails to record motion clips or simply does not save any activity at all, it can quickly become frustrating, especially when you rely on the camera for security and important moments are being missed. Sometimes the Arlo camera sends notifications without recording video, while in other situations motion activity seems completely ignored. This problem can happen because of motion settings, weak Wi-Fi connection, battery issues, storage limits, or incorrect activity zones. Since an Arlo camera depends on proper motion detection and cloud or local recording settings, even a small setting change can stop recordings from working correctly. The best thing is that most motion recording problems can be solved with a few quick adjustments instead of replacing the camera. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Arlo camera not recording motion. Try these. Step 1. Check the Wi Fi connection of the Arlo camera and make sure the Arlo camera has a stable signal for recording. Step 2. Open the Arlo camera settings in the Arlo app and confirm the Arlo camera motion recording option is enabled. Step 3. Check the battery level of the Arlo camera because the Arlo camera may stop recording properly when power is low. Step 4. Adjust the motion sensitivity settings on the Arlo camera to help the Arlo camera detect movement more accurately. Step 5. Restart the Arlo camera and refresh the Arlo camera connection through the Arlo app if the Arlo camera still misses motion. Step 6. Walk in front of the Arlo camera to test whether the Arlo camera records motion clips normally again.